Hey you guys, your girl Beauty with Mika. So yes, your girl has been recording in clusters. I have some downtime, so I have been literally recording, and this is an unboxing of the Calpack laptop bag. Now as you guys will see, I'll put right here on the side of me, I did do an unboxing of this, and I wanted to show you guys my full thorough review on this. You guys know I'm good at how I spend my money and where I wanted to invest. So recently I wanted to get a sturdy laptop bag, and when I did some research, Calpack came up. I ordered mine off Nordstrom because this is actually a really inexpensive bag. It comes up in the top 10 of laptop bags for women if you're traveling or if you're just going to the office. And I know once everything clears up in 2021, I will be able to still work remotely from home. But when I do have to go into the office, I want to be able to have something that's sturdy, something I could put my files in or take everything in and not feel like, you know, it's a hassle. I don't want a shoulder style messenger bag anymore. And of course I was like, I just need something specifically for my work laptop. Now my work laptop is a MacBook Pro 15-inch, so I'll show you guys how I pack this. But here's the bag. I ordered mine off Nordstrom's. It comes in a wide range of colors, but the color I chose was charcoal. I didn't want nothing too light, and considering when I have to travel and take my work bag, I wanted to be able to just have this with me and not take a ton of bags. I do like that they give you a dust cover with it. So I got mine off of Nordstrom's website. It's $105. It comes with this cute dust cover bag, which I really, even if for it to be $100 for the quality of this bag, I really do like it. So it comes with this, and I'll show you guys how everything is inserted. And it shows unpacking. So with this, it's a Calpack laptop. Used to have a different name to it. The inches is 15.5 length. Am I saying it right? Yeah, and 11.5 width at the bottom. So it weighs up to 3 pounds. It has a capacity of 10.8 liters. This is faux leather, so it's not real 100% genuine leather. It does have the top handle. It has the interior and the exterior grips, interior, exterior pockets. Sorry, you guys. Adjustable straps, which I do love because you could always adjust the straps based off how you're carrying them. I personally like to always adjust my straps. And then it has the trolley pass-through sleeve, which when you're traveling, you can put this on your luggage and be able to go. Let's see, it fits up to most 15-inch laptops, meaning it's not really a guarantee that it fit up to a 15-inch laptop, but I believe it does. We'll go ahead and see in this video. And it has 4 interior pockets. This does come with a product warranty of 1 year limited warranty. So like if the straps break, a lot of reviews I've seen, people were saying like the straps have broken off on the sides right here from a lot of the wear and tear. But me personally, I don't really see myself doing that. I see the stitching. One thing that I would do is probably just take this to like the cleaners and have them double stitch it, but it's already double stitched. I feel like you really got to be hard on your bags in that way to really like have the straps and all that break. But I have seen that Calpack has no issues exchanging or returning your bags. So the reason why I purchased this, because of the quality and the durability of it, and it was very inexpensive. And considering I carry a very inexpensive laptop, I wanted something like that. And again, I wanted something convenient, so like I could just throw this in the front seat, grab it right here, go, and be good to go. I'm definitely a backpack person now when it comes to office supplies. So I did bring some things that I'm going to show you guys, and I'll show you guys what I normally would pack if I'm going to the office. So of course, obviously, I'm going to have my notebook. This is my Happy Planner notebook. I'm gonna cover it up. Actually, take this off. So this is my Happy Planner notebook. I use this to take notes when I'm going into meetings, things like that. I got a custom cover off Etsy. You could pretty much, you always need a notebook if you're working. Because I'm in HR, I always like to make sure I have my supplies. So as you guys can see, I have my tabs of everything that I keep notes on. Every time I have a meeting, I put a little post-it or a tab. I am going to be changing this out if you guys want to see. I like the Happy Planner notebook as far as for note taking and for work. I am going to change these ringlets out because I'm kind of over the colorful ones, but you can customize or use whatever notebook. So I will be packing that in here. Also, another thing that I will take is sometimes I will take with me my personal planner and my skinny planner. I take these because obviously these are personal. I always like to make sure that I'm crossing over my work schedule into my personal. So if there's something that's on this planner, obviously I need to make sure that it's not crossing over. So basically, you know, not double booking myself. So normally I would bring one of the planners, either the skinny or the big classic. And these are Happy Planner. Again, all my custom covers I'll include down below. Also, I will have my MacBook. So this is the MacBook Pro Air, and I will pack this. So I'll show you guys now how I pack up my how I pack this backpack and how sturdy it feels. All right, so here is the bag. Now this bag is stuffed. When I tell you guys it's stuffed, it has the 2 pockets right here. So if I wanted to, I would, this is my work phone. I have my work phone is the iPhone SE. So I would stuff that right there, or actually put it in the front pocket. And then my actual personal phone, I always like to keep 2 different cases. So my actual personal phone is the iPhone 11 Max, I believe. So I would put obviously both phones in there. And I mean, this is just showing you guys an example, because normally this personal phone would be in my purse. Because it has an interior pocket, normally I would put like some pens. I would always definitely keep pens in here, hand sanitizer, wet wipes, some personal hygiene. My work bag, I pretty much like to be organized and ready to go. I am going to keep this stuffing because I want to restuff this bag after this video and put it right in my closet. So it does have the stuffing. I'm gonna throw this little pack out, but let's go ahead. So I would put my personal work planner, my 2 planners in here. So I would have my everyday planner, my skinny, well, yeah, my planners. So far we have 3 planners that are in there. You could put something else in here. So if I even wanted to, just off preference or GP, I would put my work planner right here. Another thing that I could do is, a lot of times we always carry like our iPads or different things. This is my personal iPad. This is the iPad Pro. This is fairly new. Yeah, this is the iPad Pro with the pencil. So I would bring this in here definitely, and it fits perfectly right there. So that's just room. That's just the front zipper, and it's still not too heavy. I don't like to overpack, so I'm just giving you guys an example of what I would do. It feels heavy with all the 3 books. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Now in the back, you still have this open compartment area. So you could put your laptop back here. And I'm going to show you guys to the side. So back here, it says it fits up to a 15-inch laptop. Let's see. This has the front cover on it. This is the new MacBook Pro. It has the whole entire case on here. Mine is in space gray, if you're wondering. And it fits perfect. It even fits enough that it snaps. So I feel like it's saying that it gives 15 inches. But I feel like it could even probably, 15 inches is the max, because honestly, if you look, my laptop isn't sticking out. So I'll show you guys, I'll zoom in. You can see it's not sticking out on the side. So there's still some room right here for it to go, if you want to see. So I do like that, and it's sturdy enough. Now the paper, let's see, if I take this out, this is how much room I have. So this is how much room I have. The only downfall to this is that the zipper, and I know to some people, the whole zipper doesn't open all the way up. It cuts off right here. But right now, this is heavy. And I'm just saying that because I added those extra planners in there. In a perfect world, I'll show you. So you could always add more papers or anything. If I even wanted to, I'll show you guys what I could even do is take my work notebook, stick it right here, zip this up, and it balances out the weight of the bag, which is good. So like my work stays with work, my personal will stay in here. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I will definitely, for work bags, I don't know about you guys, I like to keep certain things in here. So like pads or tampons, obviously hand sanitizer, wipes. You always want to make sure you're prepared just in case. And then this is what it looks like. So yeah, this is pretty heavy with that weight. Now the other thing is, you see how I am lifting it by the handle and it's budging right here. I don't recommend that, so I definitely say don't overpack your backpack when you do that. So what I would do is, if I don't need it, don't pack it. That's my motto. If you don't need it, don't overpack it. You're good to go. So you don't always need it, but this is great for traveling, especially if I'm traveling. Of course, obviously, I would take my personal planner, my iPad, and stuff like that. I do like the depth of the bag because it has a lot of depth. Like my whole hand basically fits in here, and it still has a lot of room. So that is one of the reasons why I purchased this bag, because of that. So I really do like that. I will say, if you're someone that's on the go and you are still working remotely from home, or if you ever need to go in the office, this will be great for you. I do like the thickness of it. The reviews came out really good on it, so that was one of the reasons why. Plus it was very inexpensive, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So let's go back and sit down. Alright you guys, so that is it for this review. If you guys want to see how I pack my work bag in a realistic form, let me know. I gave you guys an example of when I would go into the office, but honestly I wouldn't probably take all the planners. I would probably just take either a skinny or one of the classics. I don't need both the planners in itself. I will be having a planner video coming up for you guys, but I wanted to show you guys what I decided to purchase, because again, I will have to go in the office from time to time, not often, which is really great. So because of that, I was like, I just want something, and I didn't want a shoulder or a messenger bag. And considering the equipment I have to take, I was like, girl, you just need a new backpack. So yeah, that is it. Let me know what you guys think of the Calpack. If you guys have purchased it, if you guys have heard about it, use it. For the price, it's $105. I was like, really good investment. And I do like that it has the feet on here, and I do like that again it has the sleeves. So I really can use this not only as a work bag, but also as just a travel bag. So yeah, that is it. Talk to you guys later. Stay blessed. Bye.